There are more than 1,000 brain diseases and disorders. And while research has started to decipher some of the mysteries of our minds, there are a lot of questions we still need answers to. Questions like, where do we need to start?
I think we really need to understand how a cell typically functions and how it starts to dysfunction in any disease before we can figure out how to repair that dysfunction, which is why fundamental science is so important. And we also don't know what we don't know. How are we going to come up with a drug if we don't really understand the fundamentals of what we're trying to repair?
Why is now the right time for new discoveries?
We are just beginning to understand with the current advances in neuroscience and brain imaging. And so we are at the precipice of this time where we do have the tools to understand. So it's very exciting to begin to explore how some of these novel treatments might be changing the brain.
And how might this research help all Canadians?
Treatments such as chemotherapy or radiotherapy are extremely difficult for the body with a lot of side effects. But shortly after initiating treatment, you have an image or a blood marker that tells you, yeah, this treatment that is very expensive or very painful, it is working. The tumor is shrinking. That marker there, it is diminishing at exactly the rate that we expect. So continue, go on with this treatment. And we're lacking this in depression treatment, bipolar treatment, in psychiatry at large. And the goal really is to have such a therapeutic target. And I think from the perspective of a patient, it'll be so much more reassuring to know, okay, this is actually working.
These are just a few of the questions that some of the boldest minds in Canadian research are working on answering. Together, they form a powerful community, the next generation of scientists, built on mentorship, collaboration, and opportunity.
Canada's really pulling its weight, I think, in a lot of domains. I guess there's something special in the water here.
My name is Fiona Sanderson, and I'm the host of a brand new show from Brain Canada, Bold Minds. Each episode, I'll be speaking to Future Leaders grant recipients, early career researchers with daring, innovative project ideas. The future of brain health needs bold minds. So tune in for our debut on March 3rd to hear all about the latest brain research shaping our future.